Hey y'all, it's Birg here, and today we're switching things up with a little summer sweetness. I'm sharing my easy mini peach cobbler recipe, and we're serving it up with a planter twist, a sneak peek at my brand new peachy sticker bundles, and a fun printable that you can grab for free. So whether you're here for the treats, the planning, or a cozy good time, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Come on. This is my go-to summer peach cobbler recipe. It is a small batch, it's got big flavor, and I'm sharing a printable recipe card that you can download, here it is, and even cut out on your Cricut or Silhouette. Or you can also cut it out with just some good old scissors. So anyway, I thought I'd run through the recipe with you. You're gonna have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar. I've got 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a quarter teaspoon, of salt. I've got a 3/4 cup of milk and a half a stick of butter. I've got 2 to 3 cups of fresh peaches. You can also use frozen when these go out of season. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and I've got cinnamon and nutmeg, which are both optional. All right, so let's get started. First, you're gonna whisk in the flour and the sugar, and then the baking soda, baking powder, hopefully I says baking powder, and the salt together in a bowl. This is so easy, y'all. You're not gonna believe it. Okay, so we're just whisking that together so it looks good, all right? And then all you do, are you ready for this? It's so difficult. Let me get a spatula here. Okay, so all you're gonna do now is you're gonna pour in the butter, okay? And then you're gonna pour in the milk. Oh, I love that sound, wasn't that nice? Okay, and you're gonna mix those together. And by the way, today I am drinking my cute peach tea in this cute cup. If you like it, you can get that on Gift Mallard. But anyway, that's what I'm drinking today. I forgot to announce that, sorry. Oh goodness. You're stirring this just until combined. And first is I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon in the recipe. I kind of just think it helps the flavor of it. And then I'm also going to do just a hair of nutmeg. If you've never done nutmeg like this, you're gonna love it. It adds just a little, if that's something you can't figure out what it is, that's what this is. So I just sort of do a little bit. You know, this is just gauge your own flavor kind of thing. You don't have to do this at all. But anyway. Okay, there you go. And now I am gonna mix that in. You don't even have to do that part. This is optional. You do sprinkle the cinnamon on the top, and then I will put a little bit of nutmeg as well there. But anyway, it's up to you, you know, whatever you like. Okay, I've got 1/8 of a teaspoon, and then this is a tablespoon. We're gonna use this for the peaches in just a minute. So you just take this, and you're gonna want a level amount here to start with, and then you're gonna put it in the muffin cups. You're supposed to fill them 3/4 of the way full. Okay, so I'm gonna start with that, and then I can always go back in with another scoop. Then I'm going to take this, put them together. Have this little tiny spoon. You know, if you have some baby spoons lying around, this is not what this is. It was a spoon I got for making this hot chocolate. So we got a hot chocolate set one year, and honestly, it might be just easier to do with your fingers. We're gonna put a little bit in each muffin tin. So you're gonna sprinkle a little bit on there. Just a little scoop for each for right now. Okay, so now that we've got that done, now we're gonna put a scoop of peaches on each one. And this is a tablespoon, so I'm just gonna do that. You go right there. And we're just gonna do this until all the peaches are gone, okay? So the more peaches you put in there, the juicier it is, I will tell you that. So it says, you know, 2 to 3 cups. I think this was 4 peaches this time, 3 or 4 peaches. So it's just, this is a tablespoon, as I said. I just start with that and put a little scoop on each one, okay? Now what's gonna happen is this dough is gonna rise up and cover these peaches. So we wanna get enough in there. You know, you can push them down too if you want. I'll put a little bit. Okay, now this one looks like it needs a little bit more peaches, right? So there'll be some that didn't get enough peaches. Keep doing that. I just try to put a lot of peaches in here. These don't look like they have enough either. Okay, then you just dole them out. We're just gonna put a little here, one here. There you go. All right, got all our peaches in there. And now we're gonna take this again, and we're gonna go over the top again. Easy, simple. And then we're gonna do a little nutmeg. Okay, so you got that. Put a little bit of nutmeg on each top. So you just do a little plain. And now these are ready to go in to your 375 oven. And that is for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, now before we run off to the kitchen, let's talk stickers. Yes. I've launched a few new bundles in the shop. And yes, this little peachy set is part of it. So the little beginning set, the first set, is the little peach individual sticker. You get the sampler, and then I have a seasonal sipper for you. It's the peach iced tea recipe. You're gonna love it. These are perfect for cozy summer spreads, and they come in 3 bundles. And let me show you the bundles. So this is the first bundle. Now if you go for the second bundle, it's all of this, plus you get these adorable deco stickers with the Just Peachy on it and the little flowers. Isn't that cute? Aren't these adorable? Okay, and then you get all 3 of the individual stickers. Aren't they adorable? Oh my goodness. Now if you want to go to the deluxe bundle, you get the seasonal sipper, you get all of this good stuff, plus you are going to get the Peach Please deco stickers, some more deco stickers, which are going to be adorable on your planner. And we got some planner stickers here for you, some appointment boxes, and then some little flags. So isn't that cute? And I designed these. This is great. Okay, now the next thing we did was the self-care bingo, and you can fill in the different spots for your self-care. Isn't that adorable? I love this. And you can put this on your dashboard or wherever you want to. Okay, and then the last thing you would receive in the deluxe Peach Please bundle is this collectible recipe card for the peach tea. Isn't that cute? I thought that turned out so cute. All right. So now grab these while you can. And you can get all of them. You can find the Peachy Bundles plus that printable recipe card that I talked about at giftmallard.com. If you like today's sweet combo of both baking and planning, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your peach-loving pals. Now, don't forget to subscribe for more creative planner lifestyle fun. And if you grab the sticker bundles or make the cobbler, please tag me at Made with Birg. I love seeing your creations. Don't forget, you can get that free mini cobbler recipe card at giftmallard.com. That's where you also find the sticker bundles. All right, y'all keep on planning, and I'll see you next time. Bye.